Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be answering some of your guys' questions that you sent me through Instagram. I'm actually really excited to answer these just because so many of you guys asked really good questions. I actually did the math the other day and I have spent exactly $13,995 on my car. Yeah, it's a lot of money, but now you guys have content. Supercharger coming soon. I might have spent around, I want to say like $1,400, $1,450, which is good because if you import that from Japan, it's like 1,900 bucks, almost 2,000. No paint, no installation. It's a whopping 204 horsepower. We'll see. I have some plans around September, maybe a little bit sooner, but you guys are gonna have to stay tuned for that. If you guys don't know, I have a Tom's Racing diffuser with an RCF NVIDIA axle back, and they make a Tom's exhaust with the quad barrel exhaust tips. I don't really like the way it looks. It looks clean, but if it came in burnt tips, I'd probably consider. Sticker price was $23,995 and I got it for $26,000 out the door. I put down an $8,000 down payment. Yeah, I got it for $26,000 out the door. Taxes, registration, everything. Bags are so expensive, and I know I say that while I'm spending all this money on all these other parts, but trust me, all these other parts that I get for such a killer deal. I just feel like once you go bags, that's it. You're just a typical bagged car. I'm gonna go with yellow because that's my skin color. Fast and Furious, Paul Walker, RIP. And my dad actually had an Integra on hydraulics. Everyone thought that my dad had the coolest car ever. So, Paul Walker and my dad. Probably my wheels, the BBS's. That was my original plan for this year, but I think I'm gonna go a different route. We'll see if it even happens, this other route that I'm talking about, because I don't wanna give you guys false promises, so it's all up in the air. But I do have something planned later on this year. Probably because at the end of the day, it's just a car and it doesn't make you better than anyone else. And even if your car is more expensive or has more expensive parts or whatever, you're still not better than that person. Yeah, you can do anything you want. That's why I have all my videos with either tutorials, just me documenting everything, so then if you guys wanted to do it or feed off of it and come up with your own ideas to add on, go ahead. Technically, this is what that video is because I told you how much I spent on it, how much I bought the car for, and I'm obviously gonna keep spending more, so wasting money. Honestly, just watch Fast and the Furious, every single one, go through the marathon, then look at the cars that you really want to get in the future. Join the groups, go on the forums, watch a bunch of YouTube videos, meet some people, and learn more on your own time. Learning's free. For sure my front end, because it's kind of like the face of your car, and I love pretty faces. Thank you. And I've had it for, it's almost about to be 2 years. Time flies. I'm still not done with it. I don't think I'll ever finish it. I'm very sorry that you crashed it, and you're in the vlog, so you should get another one. Hell no, what the? I don't got it like that. If I were to pay it in full, I wouldn't have had money to mod it. Hell no, I've owned a BMW and it's not fun once you get past, I want to say 79,000 miles because everything just starts going to shit. So it's cool having a more reliable car. Right now, I fuck really heavy with Eliminate because all their videos are freaking tight. Finding Nick used to inspire me, Smurfing WRX, but the real YouTubers that kind of got me really into YouTube is probably the Ace family because they honestly just make videos and they were just living their best lives and I was like, fuck, I want to do that shit. I'll put a photo of it right here for you guys to look at. Yeah, it's not that great. Dude, it's 2020 and you don't eat the ass? Come on. Hopefully on bags. I have two dream cars and it's the R34. I heard they're really slow stock, so I don't think I would take that one. My other dream car is the Lexus LC500. That's pretty beast. I don't think I would mind because it still looks really good off the lot. So yeah, free car. I honestly never thought I would get these wheels. So if I didn't get these wheels, I probably would have gone with Works or SSR. I really like the SP3s for the SSR, and for work wheels, you know, the Meisters and all the typical wheels that everyone else likes. Those are the wheels I'd probably go with.
I like it doggy when Jason does it.
The reason why I picked the 250 is budget. I didn't have an extra $3,000 to be able to drop onto a 350. Plus, I know it's gonna sound weird, but at the time I could not find even a 250 F Sport black with black interior. I had 2 points on my driving record. My insurance was gonna skyrocket because of the 350, so that's kind of why I opted for the 250. Plus, someone's gotta represent the 250, boys, you feel me? Forever. What the? You guys are still here? Well, I guess if you're gonna stay, let's go ahead and start this vlog.
I'm glad to see you. I had a funny dream and you were wearing funny shoes.
So we are here at All Aspects. We're gonna be painting Josh's brake calipers on the 335 IS. The crew so far today is me, Josh, and Andy. What up, Andy?
Oh!
That burrito looking mighty yummy.
No, had to get some food before we worked on the car.
Alright, so he originally wanted to paint his calipers red. I kind of told him to do a brighter color just because you can see it more. His calipers are already pretty big for stock, and if we were to do orange, yellow, or white, it would show this part more, kind of like the top and the bottom of the caliper. And he decided to go with yellow, which is also the same color as the skin. And fortunately for Josh, me and Andy both are familiar with paint. Andy's actually pretty good at paint. We're pretty much going to be doing it for him, because he doesn't know how to do anything. Ooh.
You can find this on allaspectsapparel.com.
Same with me too. What's up? MentalLTD.com. What's up? We're gonna be going into embroidery too because All Aspects knows how to do everything and they're gonna be hooking us up. So, all right, let's fucking get it.
Let's go.
While we're helping Josh, I'm also gonna be painting this new part that I got that I didn't really share with you guys because I have another video coming up. But fuck it, why not? I love you guys so much. I might as well share it with you. I got a Tom's Racing strut bar. Excuse the mess. I'm gonna clean everything. That's why I took everything off. The reason why I went with Tom's is because it's really aggressive looking. It's one piece, and that means that you don't need to adjust anything whatsoever, and it bolts on perfectly. I've been meaning to tell you guys that this part, this Tower strut bar, doesn't matter what brand, it comes clutch. I was driving without it for a week because I sold it to a buddy of mine because I wanted to upgrade anyways, and I knew that I wanted something that I can paint. And why not have it one piece so I could just paint it one whole piece at one time. Drove a week without it and it felt like ass. I went on the freeway and it was so bad, dude. Oh my God, this really comes in handy. I'm not gonna show too much of me helping him because I want you guys to head over to All Aspects channel, which I'm gonna leave right over here just so you can see the progress. But I will show a couple snips just because I really do want to show you guys how to paint some calipers, just a little bit, but I'm gonna be focusing on this. So let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, so just help them take off one caliper. It took a while because there's some bolts that were seized, but we got it. Andy's working on the rear ones now. And while they're doing that, I'm gonna start sanding a bit for the strut bar. Should be wearing a mask, but I'm not. All right guys, quick update. Just got the second coat on the strut bar. We got the boys over here filming. Ooh, look who came to play. What up, man?
Oh, what's up, man?
Pretty good. So we got all of them working on cleaning the calipers, grinding it down. Got my car over here looking bagged. If only I was laying splitter on the floor, that'd be so sick. We're gonna let this dry right here, and it's looking pretty good so far. Woo, so black. Shout out to the boys for letting me paint over here. This is pretty much the progress on Josh's car. Funny story, I was taking out the rear caliper on the driver's side, and when I was pulling it up, I decked my eye really hard with my hand and the wrench itself, and now I have a really big bump right here. You can't see it because it's on my eyebrow, thank God. Kind of hurts. Shit happens, but we good. So let's paint this and continue helping Josh.
2 hours later.
All right guys, me and Andy have been putting in mad work painting Josh's calipers, killing it. They're right over there and they freaking look amazing. I'm not gonna give you guys that much of a peek because you should head over to their channel. Check it out. Final product looks amazing.
You're the best painter I've ever seen.
Thank you.
I love you.
With that being said, don't forget to go over and check out their video. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for staying with me for this whole video. I hope the Q&A at the beginning helped you guys learn a little bit more about me and the car and my future plans. Pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.